Hi, this is Brett Sundike from Rosenbaum Famularo, the IP firm behind Amazon Seller's Lawyer. We get a lot of calls every day, and some of them dictate a different kind of mindset, and that is when we get a call when someone gets a listed suspension. Now, listed suspensions obviously are not as problematic as account suspensions, but we get asked frequently, is it something I should pursue, or should I just let it sit and just see what happens? We always prefer that the seller gets these listed suspensions off their account health page. And the reason is that it's more likely to, it doesn't mean you're going to, more likely to get an account suspension if you get another complaint or several more complaints in. No one wants to lose their account. Once you do, it's a lot tougher to find out what the problem is and get it straightened out versus just a listed suspension where you could still get the listing back up and you'll have your account to keep on selling. So please address these listed suspensions. It's something that has to be done. Obviously, you don't want to, if you use us, like for example, spend money. A word to the wise, get these things straightened out as soon as possible. Avoid the account suspension. Email us at cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com or call us at 1-879-SELLER. Thank you very much.